Welcome back to Preston's Hotspot. Today we are going on a road trip. And I just started a referral code. So if you want to get a Tesla, just leave your email in the comments and saying I'm buying a Tesla, and then I'll refer you away. You get some money off your Tesla, and I get free rewards. And head on to the time lapse of the navigation. I just got back from Burger King. Now we're gonna unplug our Tesla. You're just gonna hold down the button to unplug it. There we go. And just put the charging back up, and we're good. Now we're gonna plug in our Tesla because it's low on battery. And there we go, it's all plugged in and ready. Thanks for watching Preston's Hotspot.